Hello, integrate using partial fractions. So we have x squared minus 2 divided by x squared minus 1. Well, we can simplify this by writing it as 1 minus 1 over x squared minus 1. So what I've done at this stage, I've divided x squared minus 2 by x squared minus 1. So I'll have 1 and remainder negative 1 over x squared minus 1. Now, I'm not going to go through the steps of the partial fractions, but this is equivalent to 1 minus a half brackets x minus 1 add a half. Oh, let me just write it in the same way. 1 over 2 into x add 1. And now we can integrate our original expression. So we have x squared minus 2 over x squared minus 1 now is equivalent to 1, or the integral of 1 minus a half brackets x minus 1 added to 1 over 2 into x add 1 dx. Now this is equal to x. We have minus a half. We factorize, take minus a half out, and what we'll have is x minus 1 and add x, 1 over x add 1. So minus 1 over x minus 1 and add 1 over x add 1. So I'm just going to skip a step but explain this. So 1 over x minus 1 has the minus sign. So we're going to use logs to write that as we have the negative value in the numerator. So we have ln modulus x minus 1 over x add 1 add c. So what I've done here is applied logarithms to express ln of minus 1 over x minus 1 add 1 over x add 1. And we have a factor of minus a half. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.